PKU Pioneer entered into a cooperation agreement in October 2024 with a well-known glass manufacturer in Chongqing to design and set up a VPSA oxygen generation system for its pharmaceutical glass bottle production line of 50,000 tons per year. The VPSA oxygen plant, with a capacity of 1,615 normal cubic meters per hour and a purity of 93%, will provide stable, flexible, and cost-effective oxygen for the process in glass furnaces, which will help the user optimize glass-making processes, reduce production costs, and improve glass product quality and manufacturing efficiency to further enhance its market competitiveness. The glassmaker has been dedicated to producing pharmaceutical glass packaging materials. Compared to ordinary glass, pharmaceutical glass products demand higher quality and safety. As a nationally supported initiative, specially approved by the State Council, the client's pharmaceutical glass bottle production project aims to meet the industry's strict requirements for high-end pharmaceutical glass products and to advance the technological level and production capacity of pharmaceutical glass in China. Currently, the client meets their oxygen supply needs by purchasing liquid oxygen. Based on a price of about $55 per ton, the annual expenditure on liquid oxygen procurement amounts to approximate $1.04 million. Additionally, significant manpower is required for related maintenance work, resulting in combined labor and procurement costs. According to rough estimates, once PKU Pioneer's VPSA oxygen equipment is put into operation, approximately $30,000 to $33,000 can be saved. Moreover, due to the flexible load regulation and stable operation of the VPSA oxygen generation process, the oxygen supply for the glass production line will be more flexible and stable, thus providing consistent support for the quality and output of downstream glass products. As a world-leading supplier of VPSA and PSA equipment, PKU Pioneer has built nearly 30 oxygen generation units for glass and fiberglass manufacturers, both domestically and internationally, by providing high-quality and efficient solutions for the application of oxy-fuel, or oxygen-enriched combustion, which not only reduces NOx and CO2 emissions during combustion, enabling green and low-carbon production, but also significantly improves combustion efficiency and reduces energy consumption, saving substantial production costs for glassmaking enterprises. VPSA and PSA oxygen generation technology is becoming the preferred choice for many glass manufacturers, contributing to the high quality and sustainable development of the glass industry.